What's going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming at you. Hey guys, we're going to continue working on the Ugly Betty project. We still got stuff to do on that tailgate, so let's get right to it. Isn't that a thing of beauty? All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, last time we were working on the tailgate and we did all the body work that we had to do on her. And last thing we did was actually put some of the lacquer over her. And yeah, she's all dried up, looking nice. She's very glossy. Let me see if you can catch a glimpse of the gloss there somehow. It looks almost like if she was wet, but she is very dry. Everything is nice and smooth. So today we're going to continue on applying some of the, mold release wax and the PVA. Hopefully it dries up. If it dries up, we'll be applying some of that gel coat. So that way we could continue on to making the fiberglass mold on the next video, more than likely. So let's get right to it.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you.
Alright guys, so we went ahead and applied the mold release wax as well as the PVA. As you guys can see here, everything is already there, applied nice and well. So now we're gonna go ahead and let that thing dry up for a little bit. Hopefully it does rather quickly, so that way we could continue with applying the tooling gel coat. So let's get right to it.
Is your head spinning too?
All right, boys and girls, so everything seems to have dried up by now. And we're going to continue on putting on the tooling gel coat, which we'll be mixing up here in a second. And yeah, covering this bad boy all up. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the video. Let's get right to it. Alright guys, so we went ahead and applied the tooling gel coat, and yeah, as I always say, that's one very orange piece of metal. Indeed. But yeah, now we're going to let this dry up and cure, and we'll continue on applying the fiberglass to make the mold. And yeah, I'm not quite sure I want to end this video here, so I'm just going to leave it till we can get back to it, and hopefully get the mold done, so that way you guys could see the process of that too. Not that you haven't seen it yet, but every little part has its little different things to, right? So all right, let's call it a day for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's another day, and today we're going to be working with the fiberglass. As you guys can see over here, I have brought the tailgate outdoors today. It is a pretty nice day. However, it is almost 5 p.m. and you can see that the whole tooling gel coat. Everything dried up real nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some materials, all the fiberglass mat, to get it all ready. That way when it's time to begin laying it down, we have one thing less to worry about. So let's get right to it.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. Yeah. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you?
All right, co-rollers, so we are done finally making the mold for the tailgate. As you guys were able to see, we went ahead and applied the first layer of the 250 gram fiberglass mat, and then we continued by applying 2 layers of the 450 gram mat. And we went ahead and put in all the little crevices, make sure everything was nice and stretched out, and then we added that foam that I always put on. That's basically a tubing insulation, and then we cover it with another layer of fiberglass mat just to keep it there. That'll give it a little bit more rigidity, so that way it doesn't crack under stress when you're separating the mold from the part that you're going to be making. But yeah, I guess I'll give you a tour here real quick. Whoa, there we go. Yes, sirree. It's all done. So now what we got to do is wait for this thing to dry up and cure, and yeah, I guess you'll be ready to be separated from the die itself. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there for today. I hope you guys are enjoying the video and learning a little something, hopefully, and you know how it goes. I'll see you inside. All right, co-rollers, so we're back inside, all cleaned up, feeling fresh and good. As you guys were able to see, we went ahead and completed the part of making the mold for the tailgate on the Ugly Betty project. It was lots of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. You guys were able to see all the way from applying the mold release wax, the PVA, letting it dry, then coming on with the tooling gel coat. Once that was applied, we went ahead and let that cure and dry, and then we applied all the fiberglass with the resin and stuff. Yeah, basically it's gonna go ahead and let it dry, hardened up, and hopefully we could trim up all the excess for the next video. And who knows, maybe I'll go ahead and separate the mold from the die, which is always a fun part to see when it comes to this process. And we'll have a couple other things that we'll have to do. However, I am excited to let you guys know that we did receive our materials today for all the fiberglassing. So we went ahead and got some more fiberglass mat and more resin so that we could continue with the process. As you guys know, we still have to do the driver's side door as well as the bed sides on both sides of the truck. We did start already on the driver's side bed side, and we went ahead and did all the body work on that, and we did all the mold release wax, the PVA, and we applied the gel coat. So currently it's at that stage. It's just time to start applying some of the fiberglass on it to make the mold itself. We did put a halt to that part of the project due to the fact that the materials we had left were not enough to complete the bedside. So we went ahead and applied it into making the tailgate itself, which was a little bit less materials, and it'll get us by till we could get the materials in. So now we got them in. That'll probably be our next video, working on the bedsides, which is a really exciting part because, bedsides for these trucks, I've barely seen any made. And I think it's going to be a fun thing. If you guys are looking forward to, learning how to make it yourself, make sure you guys stay tuned with that on our videos, and share it with your friends and family, if they're also, racers or whatever, because, fiberglass applies to any vehicle whatsoever. It could be, a car, a truck, it could be an airplane, it could be a boat, it don't matter. So make sure you guys share it with your friends and family. I really appreciate all the subs, all the likes, all the shares. And man, I'm so blessed to have you all in my life when it comes to our channel. Just as a reminder also that we did speak to Vinyl Wiz John today, and we got our stuff set for the decals that we're going to have done. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, there was a little part where I showed one of those decals. It says Po' Boys Diesel, let the coal roll, and it has the silhouette of a truck. We're going to have some of those done. Those are actually 3" by 8". And they're really nice. They really are. We're going to have a couple different colors, so stay tuned to our website at www.poboysdiesel.com. As soon as we receive them, we're going to go ahead and place them there for sale. And I'll appreciate every single purchase because that'll help us, continue making videos and cover, our expenses. We have, cameras, lighting, and microphones and screens and all the good stuff. However, by you guys, buying any of those, that actually helps us maintain the channel and continue doing what we do. Hopefully you guys are enthused about it. We sure are. Also, we having some special decals made also. They're going to be the type that go on the very top part of the windshield. They're going to have the silhouette followed by the words, "Let the coal roll." It's going to look awesome. I already saw some clips of the work that Vinyl Wiz John is doing, and I am stoked to have him over. So you guys stay tuned with that. I'll keep you guys updated as soon as they arrive, and I'll place them on sale over at our website. Please make sure to follow us on Instagram at poboysdiesel.com, Twitter at poboysdiesel.com. We're also in Snapchat, Facebook, and Cheese. So check us out, give us a follow, give us a like. I really appreciate each and every one of you for doing so. I'm really stoked with the numbers you guys have provided me, because it's because of you that I have subscribers and, you know, followers, and we really appreciate that. Plus, all the love you guys are leaving in the comments, whether it's on here on the comment section or it's on Instagram or Facebook or wherever. I really appreciate that. They really help keep me motivated and keep on doing more videos. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you all. God bless you, and let the coal roll.